So just take a moment to get comfortable. Make sure you're sitting upright, there's plenty of fresh air around you. And we're going to begin with the eyes open. So very, very soft focus with the eyes. Making sure they're taking in the space, the light around you. And just take one big deep breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. As you breathe in, a sense of breathing in the day, the fresh air. And as you breathe out, a sense of just letting go. Any grogginess in the body, in the mind, the muscles just softening. If you like, you can just gently close the eyes. And I'd like you just to imagine for a moment. Imagine the quality of sunlight. So just remembering that last time you were out in clear, warm, bright sunlight. I'd like you to imagine that quality right in the middle of the body, in the middle of the chest. To begin with, it's just a tiny speck. But as soon as you notice it, it's as though it begins to expand outward in every direction. So bringing that sense of warmth, space, of ease into the body. Again, it's as though it's just happening. You're just watching it, aware of it, noticing how the muscles in the body soften, get lighter. How it brings a greater sense of energy to each and every part of the body. As it continues outwards into the arms, the legs, up into the neck and the head. Just continuing in every direction. Maybe even now going beyond the boundaries of the body. Just a sense of the mind being a little bigger, a little more open, a bit lighter. And then just letting go of that image, allowing the quality of mind to remain as you just bring the attention back to the body, back to that contact. And then when you're ready, gently opening the eyes again.